Basic Skill Boot Camp, Multiplication and Division, 4 and 5. In today's lesson, students will skip count by 4 and solve basic multiplication and division problems using touch math. Using what? Very good. By this time, you should know where all of the dots are on the numbers so you can use the touch points to help you skip count. Today, we're going to go ahead and review how to skip count by 4. So if you know how to skip count by 4, go ahead and skip count with me. It goes like this. It goes 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Okay? So if you don't yet know how to count by 4s, or you haven't memorized how to count by 4s, there's a little song you're going to use to help you, and yes, you're going to sing it. There's no way around it, because this is how you're going to memorize this sequence of skip counting by 4s. Now, who knows the song Row, Row Your Boat? You know, row, row, row your boat gently down. Yeah? Okay. Are we good? So this is to the tune of Row, Row Your Boat. Okay, and all of the songs that are going to follow are going to be to songs that you've probably heard before. That's why it's going to be easy, because all we're doing is just changing the words to numbers. And this one goes like this. Ready? Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That's how you count by 4. Okay? So now you can try it. Remember, row, row, row your boat. Okay, let's do it slowly. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That's how you count by 4. Okay? So now you guys are going to try it. You ready? I'm not going to make you stand up. Just sing it from your seat, because you're going to be singing all week long. It's going to drive people crazy. Okay, here we go. Ready? Ready? Set. Go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That's how you count by 4. All right, good. So when you apply the song to dots, it's a little bit different, but I already know if I ask you 4 times 8, who knows 4 times 8? Maybe like 4 times 8? A few of you. Okay, the rest of you are not sure, right? So when you're not sure about 4 times 8, the number 4 is in red. So you're skip counting by 4. How many times? 8 times. So you're going to say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So this one is 32. All right. Next one, 7 times 4. We're going to skip count by 4. How many times? 7 times. Try that again. How many times? 7 times. Okay? Okay, remember, you touch the double dots twice. You're going to say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. All right, so this one is 28. Very nice. Okay, this one over here is 4 times 9. You're going to skip count by how many times? 9 times. Yes. Okay, you're going to say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. This one's 36. And then 6 times 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Right. Okay? So you want to practice that song, and I don't mind if you sing it out loud. You're going to start to sing it in your head, though. And you are not going to use your fingers and keep adding 4, although that's a good strategy. We want to move away from using our fingers. So now we're going to use skip counting by 4 to divide. Okay, so these are division problems. And division is the opposite of what? It's the opposite of multiplication. But division, you start with, what's this big number called? You probably don't remember. Okay, this is a dividend. Dividend. You start with a dividend, which is the answer to a multiplication problem. And you divide by something called a divisor, which is, these are always going to be 4. Okay? So this is your divisor, and you're going to end up with a quotient. The quotient is the answer. So a division problem is saying 16 divided by 4. Say that with me. 16 divided by 4. And it's saying, how many times do I skip count by 4 to get to 16? Or in other words, what number times 4 will give you 16? So you need to use tally marks here. Okay, this is what that box is for. So we're going to go ahead and skip count by 4. We're going to say, skip count with me, say 4, 8, 12, 16. So how many tally marks do I have? I have 4. So that means that the answer, or the quotient, is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? All right. So again, so this number is blue, right? Yeah, 32 is blue. What do you notice about the numbers up here? They're blue. Okay, because these are the multiples of 4. So we say 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4. How many times do I skip count by 4 to get to 32? Okay, well, if I counted up here, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 times. Now let's double check with the song and make sure that's correct. You're going to say, skip count with me. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Okay, so remember with tallies, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, slash. That means 5. 5 plus 3. Okay, you need to make your tallies with a slash so you can count by 5s, because you know how to count by 5s, right? Or else there's too many little tallies to count and it's confusing. So that's 5 and 3. What's 5 and 3? 5 and 3 make what? 8. So the quotient, or the answer, is 8. Or 4 times 8 is 32. Okay? In the last example, we have 40. Say it with me. 40 divided by 4. Okay? How many times do I skip count by 4 to get to 40? Okay? So let's skip count together. I'm going to skip count this entire sequence. We're going to say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So what do you notice? How many complete tallies do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, slash. That's 5. And what's this one? It's 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay? So 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, go ahead and get that down.